Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Wizard. In the previous videos we discuss about the property related to circle with statement and also prove them. In this video we will also discuss about the property related to circle and proof also. If you didn't see the previous video, then you will go to my video section. I explained each and every theorem related to circle in a very proper way. So the today's statement is: the angle is subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it and any point on the remaining part of the circle. Means the statement is the angle subtended by arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it and any part of the on the remaining part of the circle. So here given that a arc PQ is given that arc PQ, this arc is of a circle with center O and radius R and a point R, and a point R is on the remaining part of the circle arc QP. We have the proof that the angle made at center with the help of arc PQ is equal to 2 times the angle formed at the remaining part of the circle, means arc by arc QP. Construction: join RO and produce to it point M outside the circle. Proof: we know that we discuss about this theorem that a triangle, this is a triangle, ABC is a triangle, and we extend one of the side, then this angle is the exterior angle of the triangle. This angle is the exterior angle of the triangle, and the theorem is the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. Means that this exterior angle is equal to the sum of this interior angle and this opposite interior angle. Note this angle, this angle and this angle. When I will explain the triangle chapter, then I will discuss in upcoming video when I discuss the triangle chapter, types of triangles, theorem related to triangles in a very proper way. So from here only you know that when we extend one side of a triangle, then we get exterior angle, and the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. So in triangle POM is the exterior angle of the triangle. POM is the exterior angle of the triangle, and POM is equal to the sum of OPR, this angle, and ORP, this angle. Means POM is equal to OPR and ORP. And when we see the figure, OP and OR are the radius of the circle, and we know that the radius of same circle are equal to each other. So OP is equal to OR, and also we know that when the sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So OP is equal to OR, so angle opposite to OP means ORP, and the angle opposite to OR is OPR are equal to each other, means OPR is equal to ORP. So POM, O from the place of OPR we write ORP, because OPR is equal to ORP, ORP and ORP, and POM is equal to ORP plus ORP is equal to 2 ORP, equation number 1. Similarly, in triangle QOR, in triangle QOR, QOM is the exterior angle of triangle QOR, and the property that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle, means this angle QOM is equal to the sum of two interior angle OQR, this angle, and ORQ, this angle, means QOM is equal to OQR and ORQ. When we see the figure carefully, we find that OQ and OR is the radius of the circle, and the radius of the same circle are equal to each other. So OQ is equal to OR, and we know that when the two sides are equal, then their angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So angle opposite to OQ is ORQ, this angle, and the angle opposite to OR, OQR, are equal to each other, means this angle is equal to this angle. OQ is equal to OR, इसलिए OQR is equal to ORQ, and the QOM, OQR and ORQ. So because OQR is equal to ORQ, so we here put them in the place of OQR, we write here ORQ and ORQ, and QOM, ORQ is equal to 2 ORQ, equation number 2. This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2. When we add the equation, then we add LHS part in LHS part of the equation, then in LHS part, and the RHS part of the equation in RHS part. So the LHS part of the equation POM in LHS part, and the LHS part of the equation 2 in LHS part of the equation 2 in LHS part, RHS part of the equation 2 in RHS part, and the RHS part of equation 2 in RHS part. So when we see the figure carefully, POM, this angle, POM, this angle, and QOM, this angle, then we find that POM and QOM add, then the angle, the sum of the angles with the help of figure is equal to POQ. Here too also, so to take common, so angle ORP is equal to ORQ. So POQ, when again we see the figure carefully, then we find that ORP angle, this angle, and ORQ, this angle, ORP this angle and ORQ this angle, then the sum of both angle becomes, by the with the help of figure, become PRQ. So angle formed at the center of the circle POQ at arc PQ is 2 times greater angle at the remaining part of the circle arc QP. If you like my video, please write a comment in my comment box for my explanation, and if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also share my video. If you have doubt regarding this theorem which I explain in this video, If you have any doubt, please write your doubts in my comment box. I will explain all of your doubts in upcoming next videos. So we will meet in next videos with all other property related to circle, and we prove this property also in a very proper way. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.